Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Strata 2016 in New York City. I'm here with Scott. Scott, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. So you're with Zaloni.
Yes, I'm the product manager.
Okay, and you have a sign saying the next generation data lake. Can you unpack next generation?
Sure. So data lakes were originally started by a lot of hand coding, scripting, initial Hadoop implementations. And what we've developed is a way for organizations to better organize, manage, build, and more importantly, govern their data lake implementations with a metadata-driven approach that helps automate the ingestion, the organization, the quality of information, the governance of data within the data lake, and then also exposing it to third-party applications or business intelligence tools.
So when you say automate the ingestion, are you using some machine learning and AI there to do that?
Yeah, we use that. We also use a concept called the Bedrock Data Collection Agent. Bedrock is our platform, and it allows us to sniff directories within organizations for specific types of file patterns. Then we introspect the metadata of those files, and we load it into the data lake, register it with Hive, and make it available to any generally available tool within your Hive Metastore.
And what are the typical files you're sniffing for? JSON and CVS or
Sure.
CSV?
CSV, JSON, XML, you kind of name it. I mean, we do a lot of work with telcos, and they have specific file formats. We have the ability to read in healthcare data. So we've done some very industry-specific files, but really the gamut of any file you're ingesting.
And so what makes your next generation data lake better than the other next generation data lakes?
Sure, I think there's a couple things. One is our metadata-driven approach. So everything we do, we're capturing the business, operational, technical metadata needed to make better business decisions about that information. We also have the ability to let you create transformations and workflows that we can execute both in batch and in real time. So we can take streams and bring that into the data lake, or we can process stream data and send it back to the stream as well. So we have a lot of flexibility in our architecture. We also provide a self-service capability on top of the data lake. So instead of having to get an additional tool for self-service data preparation or data cataloging, we have that built into the overall data management data lake platform.
Excellent. So as a product manager, what would you like to see happen in the next 12 months with your product?
Yeah, so there's a couple things. I think one is about data lifecycle and managing that within the data lake. So as organizations mature, we're starting to see a lot of data lakes be in production now, but you see unlimited data growth, and it starts to cost more, it starts to reduce the performance of your data lake. So I think people are wanting to see more about automatic lifecycle and archival of data from the data lake to maybe something like an object store. So I think you'll start seeing that as a requirement. And the rest of it, I think, is about automation. So, you want to be able to find data in your organization and bring it in without having to be involved. And right now, there's still a lot of sort of curation that goes on. So I think you'll see a lot of machine learning automation driving these requirements moving forward.
Excellent. We'll look forward to that conversation in 12 months. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.